Hi, boys and girls. It's nice to meet you. My name is Miss Doyle. Welcome to JSEL. Summer school is going to be fun. I'll be your teacher this summer, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you. I did want to give you kind of an idea what to expect this week. So, this is a schedule for the week, and you'll go to this every day to get the link for our class meeting. We're going to start school at 9:30 every morning, and it's really important that you come to school or class or meeting on time so that we can get busy and get done what we need to do for the day. Monday, boys and girls, you don't have school, but your parents and you have a scheduled time to meet with me. So I want you to make sure that you're there on time. We only get 10 minutes, so it's important that you come ready, and I'll let you in the meeting when it's your turn. Tuesday, we have our first day of summer school. And at 9:30, you'll click on this link and I'll let you in the meeting. And then we'll talk about the schedule. We're going to have a small group with me for 20 minutes. There's going to be the heart group, the diamond group, and the star group. I'm sending an email to your parents and guardians and letting you know what group you're in. So if you're not in the group, the heart group, at 10:10, when I dismiss you from our class meeting, you're going to come down here and you're going to choose from the must do is something that you have to do every day, and it's 20 minutes, so hopefully your parents or guardians can set a timer for you. If you go over, there's nothing wrong with that. And what you'll do is click on this link, and hopefully you have this experience from remote learning. And look what comes up, Amplify. Raise your hand if you like Amplify. I taught second and third graders last year. They love Amplify. You're going to log in as a student, and it may not work because I might be logged in. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it thinks it's me logging in. But you'll click on that link, and then you'll find your name. You'll click on your name, and then you'll do some reading work, and it's really fun. And it's basically introducing you to the Amplify. And it's important, boys and girls, that you do spend 20 minutes of Amplify time every day, because it helps me to know what you need to learn and what you need help with for reading. Once you've done Amplify reading, look, green is can-dos. You can go to Seesaw. Raise your hand if you have experience with Seesaw, either in the classroom or remote learning. Then if you'll want to choose the JSEL Miss Doyle's class. And then I have assigned some activities. You can practice your fluency with Dexter Daisy and the Dancing Bees. If you didn't get that in your packet that came to you, make sure you let me know during our guided reading time. You can also go to Khan Academy. If this feels like, oh, too much, you'll know that you're going to meet with me. You're going to have 3 rotations. You'll meet with me, you'll spend time on Amplify, and go to Seesaw. If you want to do that today or Tuesday, that'd be great. So that's what you have to look forward to. And I look forward to meeting you and your parents tomorrow, which is Monday. And you'll know, hey, look, there's my kid. Let's see, where is he? There he is. That's Smokey. That's my kitty. So you're getting to know a little bit about me. And again, I can't wait to spend some time with you this summer and help you become better readers. And we'll spend a little time in math. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you 9:30 on Tuesday. Bye.